Have you ever noticed how the way you often speak about yourself becomes the reality you live in? When you constantly say, I'm unlucky, I'm not smart enough, I'll never get ahead, you are not only describing your life, you are shaping it. And on the flip side, people will say things like, I'll figure it out, I'm resilient, good things come my way. They often create opportunities they never imagined. In this video, we explore the psychology and science behind why your words are powerful, how negative self-talk keeps you stuck, and most importantly, practical strategies to start using your words to create the reality you want. So if you're in love with this topic, give this video a like and stick on with me to the very end so that you can get every detail that I'm about to share with you. If you're ready with me on this one, let's get straight into it. The first thing I'll be sharing with you is the psychology of words. Language doesn't just describe reality, it influences how you perceive it. Cognitive psychology shows that words affect your mindset and your emotions. For example, when you say, I have to go to work tomorrow versus I get to go to work tomorrow, one of the statements feels like a burden, while the other one feels like an opportunity. Now, the concept of self-fulfilling prophecy is when you believe and verbalize something often enough, then your actions begin to align with it. For instance, if somebody is always saying, I'm bad with money, you would always stay broke because of the words that you're saying. You will never know how to manage your resources. But once you shift your words to say something like, I'm learning to manage money, I'm learning to manage my finances, my resources, then you realize that there is a shift. Your financial behavior will begin to change. The next thing I'll be sharing with you is the science of self-talk. Our brains are wired for neuroplasticity. The words you repeat create thought patterns. So if you keep repeating negative words to yourself, trust me, they are creating thought patterns. And that's what you keep thinking about. That's what you keep dwelling on. And what you think on, what you dwell on is what you produce. And these become habits. For instance, athletes use affirmation like I am strong, I can win. They use all this to boost their confidence and their performance. Something called RAS, the reticular articulating system, the filter in your brain that notices the things that you talk about and that you focus on. So if you keep saying, I never meet good people, your brain begins to highlight negative interactions and it will become a repetitive cycle in your life, and that's what you will keep saying. Because first, that's what you're saying and that's what you're thinking. And so it will keep repeating itself. You will never meet good people. But if you say, I attract supportive people, I attract good people, good things comes to me, you start noticing opportunities for better connections. It's just as simple as that. What you say, what you think is what you become. Now let's move on to the hidden dangers of negative words. So for instance, you say negative words to yourself. Imagine the harm it is doing. Imagine you say negative words to others, maybe to your colleague, to a friend, or to your own children. This is the power of words. You say it, you think it is in your thought patterns. This is what you say to yourself. So if you're saying it to others, believe you me, you're saying it to them, they are thinking through it. That's why, when there is a quarrel, it's just because of words. You have said something wrong, the other person is thinking through it, and they are meditating on it. They keep pondering and thinking over it, and they become it. That's why words has to be positive at all times. Positive to yourself, positive to other people around you. Negative words have real consequences. They increase your stress hormones like cortisol. They damage your self-confidence. They make you attract negativity in relationships, in your career, and even opportunities. For instance, if you're constantly telling yourself, I'm very terrible at interviews, that's what you will keep getting, because this is what you are declaring to yourself, and that is what you will keep thinking about, and that is what you will produce. You just find out that you're always anxious whenever you need to go for an interview, you will be reinforcing that reality and you will not be doing well. Now I have a question for you. What's one negative phrase you've caught yourself repeating to yourself so many times? Drop in the comment section below. I would like to know. You'll be surprised how many people say the same things. Next thing I'll be sharing with you is transforming your words is equal transforming your life. When you change your language, you change your mindset, and then you change your results. Until your language changes, your mindset will not change, and then your result will be the same. The practical tips I have for you here is catch yourself. What do I mean by that? Notice the words that you use daily. Reframe your words. The second thing is that you reframe your words. Replace I can't with I can. Replace I always fail with I'm always learning. I'm still practicing. The third thing you need to do is to affirm with action. Don't just say it, back it up with steps. Because it's not enough to say something but you are not doing. As much as you're saying, confessing the positive, then you should have actions backing it up. So when you're saying I'm confident, you speaking up in that meeting will reinforce it for you. If you're saying you're confident but you're shying away from speaking in the public space or whatever, then you are not reinforcing that. You're not able to see if you can actually do it or not. And the fourth one also is to surround yourself with people of positive words. The words that people around you say would also shape you. Spend time with people who speak life, not negativity. Remember, Thomas Edison teacher said he was too stupid to learn, but his mother reframed it and told him he was a genius. His life changed because of the different words that was spoken over him. So if anybody has told you that you cannot achieve this and that, or you are dumb, or you are dull, tell yourself, I am good at this. I will do well. I would achieve this. If anyone has told you that your children will not do well, I don't know why I'm going into this aspect. Maybe you have children in school and they're telling you, oh, they don't do this, they don't do that, they're not good at this. You reframe those words and say the positive. Say, no, my child can't do this, my child can't do that. They are doing well. Reframe the words. Learn to speak the positive. Reframe those words, and those words will definitely shape them. Those words will definitely shape their destinies. The next thing I'll be sharing with you is how to practice positive word power daily. The first thing is morning words. Start your day with positive words, positive affirmations. Like today, I stay calm and resourceful. I manage my time pretty well today. I'm doing well. I will not procrastinate. Just say good things to yourself. Say those things that you want to achieve, and you will see that it's going to really be helpful to you. Second thing is journaling. I love to journal a lot. I love writing down a lot, and this has really helped me. I believe this will help you too. Write empowering words. Instead of saying I feel stuck, write I'm finding solutions. I find ease in my journey. Everything works out well for me. These words are really empowering and they keep paving the ways for you. The third one is daily environments. Put sticky notes with power words on your desk and all around you. Because you are saying this, you are proclaiming it, and it's also in your thoughts, and then you are becoming it. This will go a long way to help you. Try this and come back to thank me. The next thing is verbal gratitude. Speak out loud. I'm grateful for my health. I'm grateful for my job. I'm grateful for opportunities around me. I'm grateful for family. I'm grateful for progress. I'm grateful for opportunities. I'm grateful for true friends. This sure goes a long way. And the final one here is word detox challenge. Go 24 hours without a negative self-talk. Replace each one with a positive reframe. Anytime you want to say anything negative to yourself, just replace it with something positive. Watch yourself do this for 24 hours and keep on with that. Before you know it, you will erase speaking negatively to yourself. So I have a challenge for you. For the next 7 days, track your words. Every time you say something negative to yourself, rewrite it into something positive. You'll be shocked at how your reality will begin to shift. Your words are not just sounds. They are tools. They can either build your future or break it down. They shape your thoughts, they influence your emotions, they guide your actions, and they ultimately create your reality. If you found this video very helpful, please like this video and share it on to others that will be needing it. And in my comment section down below, comment one phrase that you're committed to replacing from today. For me, I'm going to be replacing "I'm tired" with "I'm recharging." Yes, because I usually say that word "I'm tired" a lot, and I usually get tired. So that's what I will be changing. So let me know in my comment section, what is that phrase? What's that word that you want to commit to start replacing from today? And on my end screen here, you'll find a video here that promises you great insight. Please do well to watch it. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I do appreciate you. And if you're new to this channel, of course subscribe, because I promise you awesome content all the time. Until I see you in my next video, have an amazing day ahead, and bye for now.